In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to implement a vertical card slider feature on your Shopify store. This is a feature that promotes viewer engagement on your website and gives it an interactive edge. Firstly, you will need to navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is the central hub where you can manage all of your Shopify store's operations. Once you're here, look for the option that reads Online Store, followed by Themes. These are usually located on the left-hand side of the screen in the navigation menu. After selecting Themes, what you need to do is head over to the live side of your current theme. There, you'll notice a little icon with 3 dots, signifying additional options. Select those 3 dots, and from the drop-down that appears, click on Edit Code. Having chosen to edit the code, you will now be navigating in the Sections directory. Here you will find an option that says Add a new section. Select it to create a fresh section for your vertical card slider. You will now be prompted to name the file for your new section. For the sake of organization, use the name featuredcardslider.liquid. Make sure to get the spelling and punctuation just right, as these file names are case-sensitive and can affect your ability to locate it later on. Once your file boasts a new name, it's time to add some substance to it. Here, you'll need to paste the entire Liquid schema, HTML, CSS, and GSAP script code. Brilliant! You've taken significant steps towards crafting your own vertical card slider. But before you add any designs, make sure to save all your progress by clicking on the Save button. The next phase involves customizing your theme to integrate your new vertical card slider. Returning to the online store, this time, navigate to Customize Theme. Once you're in the Customizing tab, select the Homepage template. This will dictate where your vertical card slider can be viewed by visitors. On the left sidebar, look for and select Add section, followed by Featured Cards Slider. This will take you to settings where you can customize the design attributes of your vertical card slider. Here, you can set your preferred background color, button text color, and decide whether to toggle the Enable button. Now comes the fun part. It's time to add the slides themselves. Click on Add Slide. This will prompt you to upload a slide image and enter your desired slide heading, button text, button link. Repeat this process until you have added all the slides you wish to include. Finally, hit the Save button once again to secure all the customizations and additions you have made. And there you have it. You've just added a vertical card slider on your Shopify site, a feature that could definitely contribute to enhancing user engagement. It might have seemed tough at first, but with patience and perseverance, everything is possible.